On August 4th, 2022, an officer was patrolling through the area of a park when he observed a female walking near the road in La Crosse, Wisconsin. The female was identified as 31-year-old Kara Venable. The officer was able to identify Kara through previous contacts and was aware she had pending charges of a party to a crime, delivery of methamphetamine. In order to avoid escalating her, the officer didn't advise yet what the charge was for, and he called for a second officer.
When you saw me ACL with Kara Venable at the park. We just needed I think an officer had a question with you about maybe like a theft or something. I'm not entirely sure, but can you hang tight to the front of my car for me?
I can stand right here. I'm not going to go anywhere.
That's fine. Okay. Yeah, we'll wait till the initial officer comes down, and then we'll figure out the whole situation, okay?
What kind of theft? What are you talking about?
What?
What kind of theft? What are you talking about?
I'm not entirely sure off the top of my head, to be honest with you.
Robert, go find Dakota, please.
While they were en route, Kara was getting impatient and called for a boyfriend, 23-year-old Dakota Gillette.
The whole situation about it, what? Like, I don't understand.
I wish I knew, but I'm not the investigating officer entirely.
Okay, so what do you know?
Just that someone need to talk to you about a case.
That they need to talk to me, or they have talked to me? Because no one's talked to me about anything
that
yet.
Someone needs to talk to you. That's my understanding of it.
Okay. Is there any way I can just give him my phone number and he contacts me that way?
Not right now, I think.
Excessive, don't you think?
Me standing here? No, it's not.
No, just, I don't know. I don't think. No, that's in a boat.
Who are you looking for?
Dakota, my boyfriend.
Oh.
There he is. Baby! Come here! Come here!
Dakota arrived on a bicycle and insisted that Kara should be free to go.
What? That's apparently. I don't know. I haven't done anything.
The theft or some pending case, I'm not entirely sure, so someone needs to talk to her, or an officer needs to talk to her,
So what, is it just going to be a ticket that gets issued then?
I have no idea.
When did this theft supposedly happen? Because I haven't done or gone anywhere.
I'm not the initial officer here, okay? I might have misspoken on theft, but an officer needed to talk to you, so.
That it was misspoken on a theft?
I misspoke thinking it was a theft, but an officer needed to talk to you, Kara.
So
I'll let the officer talk to you, that comes out.
Hostile with me just because I'm asking questions about what the
I'm trying to explain it.
You're not telling me, though. You're telling me you think it's a theft and now you don't know if it's a theft.
Right, I just explained that I misspoke.
How is
okay, so then she should be free to go. That's not how it works at all.
So how is it then? What is it then if it's not a theft? What is it?
Is she under arrest?
Am I under arrest?
Is she under arrest? You can't leave.
Am I under arrest?
Not yet. You're not free to leave.
So then she's free to leave.
She's not.
If she's not being arrested, she's not being detained.
She's detained.
How am I being detained? We don't even know what it is. How do we even not know what it is? Can you ask them what it pertains then?
When it gets here, yeah.
Why don't you just ask them over the radio?
Give me a second, Kara.
Everything else.
Come on now.
No, because I've been asking you for the whole 5 minutes. I've been staying here what the pertains.
Right.
And then you tell me it's a theft, and now you're telling me you don't know if it's a theft, you don't know what the is? Why don't you sit there and lie?
I'm telling you what I know.
You said you thought it was a theft.
And then I explained I
the impression that it was under a theft. And now you're telling me that's something totally different.
I didn't say I said I misspoke.
How are you going to sit there and tell me it's one thing and then it's not?
Right. Okay. Since he's here, hang tight with him. I'm going to make some phone calls, get this all figured out, okay?
You should have had it figured out before you start harassing.
No. Yeah. That's not harassing. At all.
That is.
It's not. So she's not free to leave yet.
What's going on?
He's got to make some calls on some stuff.
Yeah, he's telling me that he doesn't even know what it is about. Like,
right,
first he tells me
we have the right to be known. When you get detained, you have the right to know what the it's actually about, for real.
So what does it pertain to?
I'm about to get real upset here.
Okay. Well, we got an email that
Calm down.
investigators had some stuff they needed to talk to her about. So.
Investigators had some stuff
about what exactly? Because I've already told the investigators.
If you don't know, then why not?
I know what it is.
Do you think I know every case that happens?
No, they want me to come in and they want me to start snitching on motherfuckers, and I've already told them no.
I don't know what it is.
I already told him no.
We don't know what it is.
Well, I know what it is. I know what it is, and I already told.
400 cases a day.
I already told that investigator he can kiss my wife because I ain't telling him a motherfucking thing.
We'll go double check, and if that's the case, then we'll be out of here.
It's bull.
I'm sorry.
No, you harassed me in jail about snitching on my family, and now you're coming out here in front of God and everybody to do it too? You can kiss my white ass word out of me.
I don't want a word out of you. It's not me.
After the officer confirmed the pending charges and advised she was under arrest, Kara immediately started to back away and shout.
What's the pertain then if it's not a theft?
Okay. So like I said 5 minutes ago, I misspoke.
Huh? What is it then?
You have pending charges for...
Excuse me, no. Back up! Back up!
You're under arrest, Kara.
Yes, sir! What
Arrest for?
Where am I under arrest?
What are you arrested?
Get your hands off me!
For party to a crime for delivering methamphetamine.
To here! To here! No!
Let go, Heather. You want to go off? Back off.
Let's go be.
We'll take it there.
When Dakota started escalating the situation, a crowd began to gather around them.
Are you not going to put your hands
Why? Am I being arrested?
for possession of that?
He ignored their commands when they told him not to get involved. The officer then decentralized Dakota onto his back and advised he was now under arrest.
I'm not choking you. Stop. Everybody relax. Put your hand. No one's on his back. Stop. Let him go. On your stomach. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. For what? For what? For resisting. For what? Hey, for resisting. Oh, stop. No.
The crowd became verbally hostile and continued to come closer to them.
Put your hand behind your back. You're getting it.
We got people detained, but we can use a couple more.
I let go when you guys had to. No, you didn't. Can you sit up? Leave your cameras in right now. Before I go anywhere, right now. That's not how. Yes, it is. Yes, it's all uploaded to your computer. I know it.
Sit up, please.
No, it's all uploaded to your computer. You know it. So replay it now.
Watch the house.
Hey.
Watch footage now.
I can't do that.
Yes, you can. You have the laptops.
Which isn't right here.
No, it's in here. So don't do it before I move anywhere. Yes. Yes.
You gotta sit up.
You see this? Guys, hold on.
I got the house.
Yeah, I'm opening up a lawsuit against the police for excessive force.
But for right now, we have to get the squad.
No, I'm not going to jail. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'll kick you in your face right now, then. You stupid.
Well, I hope you don't do that.
Well, I hope that you need to go. Otherwise, you guys are getting a lawsuit.
Nope, you're going to jail.
Don't take it,
I
please.
don't do anything.
Don't take it. Don't take it.
Can you sit
What?
up?
No! Once you let me go!
Now then you go.
Yes!
Don't take it. Please don't take him.
What's your badge number?
Please don't take him.
Alright, you're getting a lawsuit over anti-violent grievance right now?
Yep.
No.
We can't
Right
right
here.
from the ground.
Yes, I can. I can clearly find one sitting right here.
You gotta go to
No, I
jail,
don't.
okay?
Baby,
No, I
please
don't.
don't.
That's what's going to happen.
Hey, I'm just talking with him.
No, we're sitting up.
Hey!
Calm down, brother. Calm down.
No! You're just gonna get more charges. Just relax. You're just gonna get more charges. You stupid pigs!
Chris, grab my phone. Please stop. Stop. That's not my phone.
For the case.
That's my phone.
She said it's her phone.
No, it's not.
She's charged for the case.
Right now. You're getting my phone right now.
Terry, you have your phone.
You give Christopher my phone right now.
No, help me get it up, please.
I'm
sit up.
not taking my phone.
No.
Not taking my phone.
I'm f***ing you up when I see you on the outs.
Right now.
I never forget a face.
I'm sorry.
No, you can f*** off. Come back up. You f*** off. Come back up.
You got any needles on here? I got a section.
No! Alright. Stop! You're sexually hurting me!
You are resisting.
No, you're sexually hurting me! Tobacco, you pig! Find some more drugs, you
Stop.
Dakota, stop! Dakota, stop!
Car's over here.
Dakota, stop!
Yes, search still.
You're not putting hands on me. I want a female officer. I want a female officer.
All I'm searching is your
You
pockets.
will give me a female officer. Don't help me, God. I will snap. I want a female officer. Don't touch me.
Can't get the best search in the back pocket.
Don't touch me.
Just relax on me, you stupid pig!
Just gotta relax.
You're little pants. Stay up!
Get this phone.
Definitely get a lawsuit. That's fine.
Just the letter.
Yeah, see, you wish you could get something out of me. Hey, she has a female officer!
Oh, she doesn't. It's TV. It's not a law. It's not.
I want a female officer. You're not touching me.
Can't get the best search. Let's get it right back in my pocket.
I want a female officer.
Alan, get back, dude. Come on now.
Don't touch me.
Sarah, can you scoot back a
You're
little
not
bit?
touching me. I said you're not touching me.
Like a waistband clip?
Don't touch me.
Cut it back.
I don't want to bring the vehicle. I'll just move around the car.
Touching her.
Yes, they do.
Do you have to wait? Do we can wait for a police officer?
There's no female officer on. And that's not a law. That is not a law.
Can I at least get my phone back? She
You can get it. Okay, we gotta wait till they handle it. I need you to stay back, okay?
They have female police officers.
We don't have any on today.
It is a law. Not certain female. It is a law. Yeah, it is not. That's because you're around. Everything's okay. If it's handled in court, hey, if we handle it, we don't know that. Yeah, come on. Don't be silly. Don't beat it because you're legally sir. Just take peacefully. Come on. Peacefully, Terry, you beat it. And just keep on for you, Carol.
Don't touch me.
Okay. Go down the back, we'll go. The phone is needed for evidentiary value for her case. If it's her phone, it's going with her. That's how it works.
No, give it to her. You give her my phone.
We're all being out the county. So two are in custody.
Tried to take Karen in custody for a bunch of charges. Her boyfriend got physical with us. Then people tried to step in. They both with us.
They hit you guys?
Karen took both of us like 50 times.
You okay?
Yeah, we're fine.
So all officers are okay?
Yep. It's me and Colin, but that's okay.
They're looking at it.
Did anyone else get involved that needs to be charged with anything? So we have the people in custody that caused the issue.
Everyone else was trying to do that, but... You don't know what you're talking about. Shut up.
Go watch out. So Kira's in custody and her boyfriend's in custody?
Kara Venable and this guy, I don't know who he is.
Why did the crowd get involved?
Because they both screamed bloody murder.
Yeah. Any force used on them?
Yeah.
Both?
Yeah.
What force was used?
And we fought with her for about a minute and stayed it up, and we kept pushing him off. Finally, he grabbed me around like the head area, so I took him to the ground really hard.
Gotcha. Was that the car?
Yeah.
Do we need to do anything else here? Or
I don't think so. No one else really physically stepped in. Okay, let's just get him going.
Yeah. He's banging his head.
You're gonna get f***ed up! I tell you! You're a bunch of stupid pigs! That's all you are! Hey, stupid, you got these cuffs way too tight! Stupid, listen to these cuffs! I can't feel my hand, you nigger! Alright, I'm definitely gonna have lawsuits. My hand's numb!
You can.
My hand's numb!
That's fine. You can open up 100 lawsuits.
No, my hand's numb! Loosen it, at least!
Not when you're physically.
Feel that, you stupid!
Can't.
Put on the concert to it, because you're a scaredy.
Oh, only took 2.
Yeah, oh, bullshit. It took 1, 2, 3,
They
4,
just showed
5,
up.
6, 7, 8 SWAT cars?
You were already in the car.
You're a f***ing
You're already in the car,
I
Dakota.
don't give a f***. I can still have freedom of speech.
Yeah.
Stupid f***.
Say whatever you want.
Yeah, stupid f***. So now disorderly conduct when I use I feel statements and I feel like you're a stupid f***.
You just gotta relax, man.
No.
It's over, okay?
You.
Just relax.
You. For real. You're a f***ing retard. Hope you know that. Because I'm already fighting cases for you guys using excessive force. You want to know what? I've been winning them. Otherwise I would already have the charges. And I don't.
That's fine, man.
Retard.
Doesn't hurt my feelings.
You're retarded as a bitch. Oh wow, we're gonna throw him in jail for 24 hours for obstructing an officer. Woo! Because I made our job so much harder. Doesn't it feel fun to wrestle somebody who is half your size and still took you?
Yeah, you really.
Took you guys. Wow.
You really
Took you that many officers just to get me calm out. Wow. Yeah. You guys are a bunch of scared I want the CI number too.
I don't even know what the heck. What's a CI? Okay.
I'm requesting the CI number.
Good for you.
If you do not inform me of it, there's another lawsuit.
Add it to the list, because I'm not giving. I don't even know what you're talking about.
Bullshit.
I'm not a drug investigator.
Okay. So you obviously know something to do with drugs.
She's charged with drug stuff. That's why you arrested her.
Okay.
Dispatch update.
She didn't even have any meth on her, so
Not today.
While en route to jail with Dakota, he claimed he had pain and wanted to be seen medically.
I request medical attention too. My ribs are my head.
You're requesting medical attention.
Yep.
Okay. For what?
My ribs.
Okay, you want to go to the
slam me
hospital?
up. Yep.
You want to go to the hospital?
I got him in here.
I said it already. You heard me.
Okay.
You had no right to joke.
You jumped us, man.
Huh? I wasn't in cuffs. When you choked me? No, I wasn't. It's all on camera too.
It sure is.
So, and I'll be f***ing you up when I see you on the outs. I hope you know that.
No, that's a felony.
No, it's not.
You just threatened a law enforcement officer. That's all we need is cooperation, Dakota.
Cooperation for what?
But you're fighting with us. That's
I
not
literally
gonna.
let go and you guys slammed into me, which pushed me to the f***ing ground.
Yep, you got taken to the ground because you got.
No,
hit
I
by a
wasn't. I literally let go.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Oh,
It's all on video, bud.
it is.
We pushed you back like 10 times and told you to get back.
Okay. That's why I didn't even need to come here. I just love wasting your guys' time.
It's your bill.
No, it's not. Because I refuse medical attention.
You don't want medical attention?
I just love wasting your guys' time.
We're already here, so you're getting it.
Once inside, he said he didn't want treatment anymore and was extremely uncooperative and rude to all medical staff.
Boyfriend got involved. No idea. But so kind of jumping on her, so we had to keep pushing her back. He had to be decentralized. Got her phone though. So.
anything they'll do to you, okay? Now. Put your hands on his throat.
Calmer now, I don't know, he said he won't cooperate. He claimed he had rib pain, then when we got there he said, you just kidding, I just want to make your life hell. The doctor met with him, he told the doctor off like 30 times, so we have a hospital for him.
Say anything else so far, comments?
Kara was charged with felony battery, threat to an officer, and misdemeanor counts of resisting, disorderly conduct, and possession of drug paraphernalia. She was released on a $1,000 signature bond. Dakota was charged with felony battery, threat to an officer, and misdemeanor counts of resisting, ×2, and bail jumping, ×3. He was released on a $500 signature bond. A bench warrant was later issued for Dakota on October 12th for failing to appear, but he returned the following day. The court decided to void the warrant and reinstate the bond.